In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on HFM. First, log into your HFM account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Scroll down on the dashboard and you'll find the My Account section, where all your trading accounts are listed. As you can see, this is one of my existing accounts. Now, if you're wondering how to change the currency of an existing account, it's important to know that HFM does not allow you to change the currency of an account once it has been created. There is no option to edit or switch the currency for an existing account. So, if you want to use a different currency, the only solution is to create a new account with your preferred currency. To do this, simply click on Open Live Account or Open Demo Account, depending on what you want to create. Next, select the trading platform you want to use, such as MT4 or MT5. On the next page, look for the Account Currency option and choose the currency you prefer. The available currencies may vary depending on your location. After that, select your desired leverage, set a password for the account, and then click on Open Account. Once completed, your new account will be created with the currency you selected. And that's how you can use a different currency on HFM by creating a new account. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.